Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. Last year we did something similar where we met with the Denvix folks all about their power banks, portable tire inflators, and this year they have even more products and really cool useful tools. I absolutely love working with Denvix, truly, because they design and engineer and build all of their power banks and everything in-house. This is not white labeled stuff. They have an engineering team in Ningbo, which is a really cool city that we've filmed videos in before, and they literally build all of this stuff from the ground up. So in this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of all of their products here. We're going to go on a demo to look at how fast their mobile tire inflator actually works, and then we'll chat with Sean, who's the CEO of the company, and he's become a friend of mine, and it's so great to have a working relationship with Denvix here on Out of Spec. So let's get into a really fun video with Denvix here at CES 2026. Well, guys, this is Jacob. Jacob, welcome to the channel.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. Thanks for taking us on a tour of everything.
Absolutely, thanks for coming by.
Yeah, so what do we have here for Denvix this year?
So we have a couple different products for Denvix this year. The first one that we want to talk about is the PowerX. Now the PowerX is our power supply. We have three different products. This one is for the power supply. You turn it on, it comes on automatically for us. Nice, great for it. We also have information for that on screen, shows you how much the power is left in there, and we can use the magnetic surface as a charging port. We also have three on top as well.
And how much power does this output?
This is 30,000 milliamp hours.
Okay, but I mean in terms of watts for USB-C charging?
Watts, I believe it's 100. Yeah, it's about 140 actually, if I remember correctly.
Damn, that's pretty juicy. That's really cool. Yeah, awesome. Love to see that.
Absolutely. Yeah, so this is our first product right there. Also, it's AI temperature control and rapid pass-through charging as well. So you can charge it while it's charging something else, which is really nice.
I've run into issues with other devices where, you can't get the thing to charge. It may not do the other. So you basically throw a juicy input on this, then plug whatever you want out.
Exactly. And then honestly, who wants to have to wait for that kind of thing? So we like to try and solve those problems before they come up.
Love to hear it. That's great. That's great.
So that's the PowerX for us. And if you like, we can go around to the next product.
Yeah, let's go. Let's take a look. We'll walk over.
Okay. Excuse me, guys. So the next product we have over here is the ThunderX. Now the ThunderX, a lot of these products are going to be really useful for when you're camping or when you're off-road, or basically when you're away from your home and you need power, or your car just stops or something along those lines. This one specifically, the ThunderX, is a jump starter for your car.
Oh, cool.
So what it does is it basically you just turn it on. It comes with the additional part right here, plugs right into it, and as soon as it's charged up, you put those onto the two leads of the battery, hit the button. As long as it's charged up and ready to go, you can just turn on your car, it'll start right up.
Yeah, and I'm just checking out here, 1,000 amps, pretty juicy, and also about 30 times for a normal car battery. That's really awesome.
30 jumps for a normal car, exactly, and about 15 times for a truck, depending on the type of truck.
Yeah. That's really cool. Love to see that. That's actually a really cool product.
Yeah, and the best thing about it, it's really light. It fits in your glove box. It's one of those things where if you need it, and if you're in a situation where you do need it, it's a perfect thing to have in your glove box. Perfect thing to have when you're in an emergency situation.
And it's a battery bank as a backup.
It is. All of our products work as a secondary, as a battery bank as well. We want to make sure that you're in that situation where, let's say you're stuck on the side of the road, your battery dies, and your car dies too. You're covered. Yeah. With Denvix, you're absolutely covered.
That's super cool. Love to see it. So what else do you guys have this year?
Yeah, so this is the ThunderX. We're going to move over to the Moto X.
Okay, cool. Oh, dang.
Yeah. So this is the Moto X. This is our tire inflator. This is with the hose, this is without the hose. The Moto X comes in this nice little carrying case. Beautiful, I mean, opens up, fits right in there. Comes with all the accoutrement you might need to blow up anything from a Ford F-150 Raptor tire all the way up to, or basketball or something along those lines.
Sure.
Yeah, comes with a starter clip right there. The 65 watt version right here can fill up, two Ford F-150 Raptor tires, for a Tesla 7.5 tires. So basically a little bit less than 2 cars, or 2 Teslas. For a Model 3, 4.5, and then motorcycle 22, bike is 31, and then if you have 154 basketballs, you're all set and ready to go.
That'd be a lot of basketballs.
Indeed. The best thing about this though, honestly, once you turn it on, it takes 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Once it's on, you have additional presets that you can do automatically, or if you want to have a manual, you can also change the PSI manually. Comes in PSI, comes in KPA, comes in all the different types for that. And also if you're working on the side of the road,
oh, nice.
Nice bright light, a mood lighting for if you're camping, and if you're on the side of the road, a nice hazard light so you don't get hit.
That's
that's
really
really
nice.
important.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
It also works as the other ones do as a power bank if you need it as well.
There you go. Got to have the power bank function. Love to see it.
Yep. So we're going to be doing a side-by-side comparison here in a little bit. We'd love you to stick around.
Yeah.
But before we do that, let's go into our last product here. We'll come around.
Okay, sounds great. So Moto X tire inflator. Love that, actually. That's cool.
Yeah. So
juicy thing.
This is our big boy. We talked about the power bank. We talked about the ThunderX, which is the jump starter, and now we also talked about the Moto X, which is the tire inflator. This one is a combination of all three. So this one's going to have all three capabilities for those people who don't want three individual things but need all the capability of all three together. So like the other ones, you just turn it on. Once it turns on, you have power output. We also have a solar output as well.
Oh, how about that?
An input, so you're all set there. And when you need it, you have the hose that connects to it to plug into your tire to fill it up.
Dang, so it really is like the one.
Absolutely has everything all at once. This is also a light source.
Okay.
It's an LED light, so it shows the same thing as the other one, a bright light, even brighter light, and then a mood light and a warning light as well.
Dang.
But it shows up, it also has the AC power unit for if you ever need that as well. Yeah. So
Super cool, man.
Absolutely. So this is a third product. This will be coming out a little later this year. This is actually not on the market quite yet.
Okay.
But it's a kind of a preview for you guys.
And how many watt hours is this one? It's 72,000 milliamp hours.
So yeah, 72,000 milliamp hours, and then I'll move this over so you can kind of see it. 572 watts.
Lots of power. Yeah, that's great. That's really cool. Well,
Yeah.
thanks for showing us around all of those products. I can't wait to see the tire demo. So we'll look at that in a second.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll get that going hopefully right before noon or right before lunchtime here. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Really appreciate it.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Jacob, we've got a couple tires here, a massive air inflator, and then the one we just looked at from Denvix.
That's correct. Yeah, what we're going to be doing is a side-by-side comparison of our Denvix Moto X and one of our leading competitors. I can't say which one it is, but you can kind of make a guess based on the color. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting at 10 PSI and going up to 20. Typically these tires go up to 36, but even in the short amount of time to raise it up from that 10 PSI, we're still going to be ahead of the game there, I'm sure.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're even going to get this one started first. So it's at 10 PSI, it's going to go to 20. It's going to start going.
All right, she's ripping.
This one's at 10 PSI, we're going to go to 20. So it's at 8, even better. 8 PSI.
Man, it gets up to full RPM quicker too. It's just right up.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay. And that's the reason why I even started that one first. I gave it a little bit of a head start. It had about 2 PSI head start on top of it.
Yeah.
And I'm still very confident we're going to win.
Wow,
I'm not worried about it.
Cool. And you're smaller and portable, and this isn't even battery powered, right?
No, we actually, if you look behind it, I didn't want to just show it off, but it's connected to an external battery.
Yeah.
So you can't fit it in your glove box, and you would need an external battery on top of it.
Yeah.
This one, once it's charged up to 100%, if you have almost 2 full cars of tires, so almost 8 tires, you can fill up every one of them, 0 to 36 PSI.
Damn, that's freaking cool. And we're already reached parity right here, so we're at 16, and now we're ahead.
And now we're already ahead, and we're about halfway through.
Right. Yeah. So that's freaking amazing, dude.
Yeah, we gave it a head start. It was already at a higher PSI, and we're already ahead.
Wow, that's awesome. So we're at 18, we're getting close, 19, we're 1 away. This thing's only at 17.
And another really good thing about this one is once it reaches its desired PSI, it's going to shut off automatically, right there. That way it will never overflate, won't overheat, won't have any problems.
Love
this
that.
one, who knows if it is, who knows if it isn't.
Really,
it's still going to be having to go, even though we started this one late, it's still going.
Yeah, wow. I mean, this thing's, it's just reached 19 now, and it's flying in slow.
Yeah, exactly.
And boom, 20.
I mean, and you have to manually turn it off too. I mean,
19.9.
and it doesn't even hold it.
Right.
After this, it's still 20.
Yeah.
That one, the air pressure is already gone.
Dang.
When you turn it off.
Yeah.
Which is pretty bad. But yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Thanks so much for the demo. Super cool to see that. I mean, it's amazing how small that is, and it can just rip the power.
Absolutely. It fits you in your glove box. Extremely powerful charge. You saw it. It beat it, even though we gave it a head start. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming by. We appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, Jacob.
Absolutely. Thanks.
Guys, this is my friend Sean. Sean is the CEO of Denvix. And dude, what's new for this year? You've got a great booth, some really cool displays, some great people. But what's the overall message of the company this year?
This time we expand our business, with that, one more step to not only the car accessories, but also the outdoor sectors. we have a more product line like the tire inflator, jump starter, and power bank, also auto generator. And we want to do the best for the single functional product, but also we want to do the combined products, like this one, the Spark, and this is
That's a really cool
Yeah,
unit.
I think that will be the ultimate answer for this sector.
And you guys do everything in-house. You build so many things, you design things, and it's such a unique company in the space where so many things are just like the same product 50 times over. You guys really do everything from the ground up.
Yeah. We do some upgrading. For example, last year we have the tire inflator and power bank, and this year we also have the jump starter. The jump starter, we adopt a new technology. This is completely new generation because normally other products use flat battery, which is not safe, will swell, will leak, and even explode, right?
Okay.
But we are the first one adopt the cell batteries, and the cell batteries with a very high output. Like we can release 20 or 30 times of its battery capacity itself in an hour.
30C cell.
Yes, you're right. Exact expert. Yeah. So we can handle that with our exclusive BMS system. And we got the best team. We got the best tech guy can do it from the basic technologies, software designing, hardware designing, motor designing, and structure designing. And this time we'll also apply these cell batteries to the Spark, so that it can turn the auto generator into a jump starter with the shared batteries. So you can see the size. The size is compatible. We can get everything you want: abundant battery capacity, fast charging, and super quick tire inflation, and also super quick jump start. So we made a lot of experiments. So for example, this one, I would say Spark, has a new self-developed dual cylinder motor, and it is the fastest in the world.
Really?
Yeah, it's 2 times faster than Moto X. Imagine that. I believe that you just filmed the Moto X, right?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
And we're going to have a campaign later, like against the fastest. The red one, right?
Yeah.
We are even faster.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna need that. You got to send me one of those. That's amazing.
Of course, yeah.
We'll feature it on the testing channel. That's great.
Yeah, in the future, what we want to do is to reshape this industry, combine the automotive and outdoor sectors into one. So all you need is just
one device.
product. It's just one device
That's so
in
cool.
the truck.
I love it. You guys are killing it. I love that you literally design and engineer your stuff.
Yeah.
To me, that makes all the difference. You live in a great city. The company's in Ningbo, which my best friend's actually, her family's from there, and so it's a really cool spot. And I got to go last year to check it out. It was amazing.
Yeah. Please, next time, just tell me. And also, we got a huge branding promotion. You know what? We signed with Jimmy Butler.
No way.
Yeah, as our global spokesperson.
How about that?
And also we signed with Golden State Warriors, and we are the global official partner of Golden State Warriors.
Oh my gosh! You guys are going hardcore in the marketing. That's wild.
Hardcore marketing. They are very influential. And this is the first time for a Chinese company to sign simultaneously as NBA superstar and an NBA super team.
Yeah.
And there we can do a lot of crossover. Just like 3 days ago, we have our first campaign called Denvix Winner.
Okay.
So from all the buyers and register of Denvix.com, and then they get a chance to have the free tickets, free hotel, and free flights. We cover all the spans. And they just come to the Trade Center to watch the game.
Wow.
And they get a chance to meet Stab, Jimmy, when pre-game. And they just love it. And the experience is fantastic. And we will do it monthly. And we will do it
monthly. Wow.
And 5 lucky fans, around 5 lucky, and we will do it globally, not only in the United States, but also we will do it in other countries, including Europe, China, Japan, whatever, So
that's cool. We're at CES, obviously. There's a million companies making battery banks, but you guys are just doing it right. It's really cool.
Yeah, we just not only want to do the battery power bank, we just want to redefine this industry. In the future, I believe all the things should be combined like an iPhone.
Yeah.
You know, for now, the people would not usually take the digital camera, MP3 is all in one.
Yeah,
So
you've got
that's
one
how-
device that does everything.
Yeah, one device, and each function at the top of the top. So that's our purchase. We also have more metrics in the next few months, and you will see more and more. But based on these two sectors, tire inflator, jump starter, and power bank are the generator. And we will have the high end, mid end, cater for different needs. Maybe big one, maybe more portable one. Yeah, this year we got a lot of big moves.
Well, Sean, I'm so happy to see it. It's great to see you again. And
Thank you.
Congratulations on another successful year.
Yeah.
And another fun video. We get you back on the channel again. So that's great, because last time we shot the video together.
Yeah,
And so that's really fun.
Yeah, hopefully, I mean, each year we can have the videos. You can witness our growth, and I really appreciate it for your support. For
Same here.
great, fantastic video.
Yeah, thank you.
Very happy to see you.
Yeah, same here. Well, thank you very much. And thank you guys for joining me for the Denvix booth tour at CES 2026. We'll see you on another one again soon. Bye-bye.
See you.